morning to all 37 of my YouTube subscribers and to everyone who's watching this video. Today is Monday, January 12th. It is 5:26 in the morning. We're going to the Pacific Palisades to start a brand new house. So, let's go. Billy's already here. He hates the camera. Say hi to the camera. I knew it. It is 6:43 and we got a little bit of sunlight. Here is the slab. The only slab, which is the garage. Everything else is stem walls with footings, and we have these little concrete pads here. 4x4s there and 6x6s here. All of this stuff is pressure treated. We're basically going to go around and plate this whole thing. It's already snapped. Once we're done with that, we can joist it and sheet it and all that fun stuff. Do you have anything to say to the people?
People. I don't like people. People leave me alone.
Okay. What's up, Nate? Do you feel protected? Start taking these nuts off and save them. Damn. Hey, Billy, can we pop this back part? Oh, dude, that sucks. That is deep mud, man. At least it's not windy here. Look, they're spraying the sky. So you're all drilled, huh? Start putting this caulking where the plate is going. Like the wood is gonna be here to here. You can just, wherever the plate is gonna go.
Put this down.
That's what I'm saying.
Take this.
I think that's all the headers and shit.
We don't need any of this 6x right now. I mean,
okay, floor beam 19 is a 4x8. We need an 18, 18, and an 18, all right where Billy is. Hey, Nate, we need to get this guy over there. This one's going where Billy is.
you got something an inch and a half? Here, is this an inch and a half? Cut that, and that's your block.
This is gonna be the easiest joist. It's a badass drill.
Where's the big old hammer? Bring her on home, son. There it is. All right, Billy will give you a layout.
Let's do the other one.
Hey, man, I'm out of here.
Oh,
You teach a f***ing horse to drink or eat. You can't just keep.
that's not the same. Look at Nate, man. Guy's a working machine. Not bad for one day for 3 guys plus G unit.
Oh, the G unit?
G unit, the OG. We're gonna be all joist tomorrow. These ledgers were a pain in the ass, but they weren't that bad. They were kind of annoying. Ooh. Tomorrow we're gonna finish hangers, joist maybe. We got more beams to set over here. Then the deck is last. You gotta say, Nate.
God bless America, dude. God gave us another day. We're alive.
Amen to that, dude. See you tomorrow. Day 2. He does miss us.
I think he has fun when we're there because you're a young idiot and say stupid shit all the time.
You're his buddy, too. I'm a young idiot. Bro, can't see anything. Dude, I was jumping in there yesterday, and now my knees are f***ed up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What happened to you? Why's your knees so hard?
They hurt, man.
His knees get dirty every day.
Every day. You should use a knee pad.
NASCAR, baby. Ooh, ah. That works for me. All right. Wonder what he wants me to cut here. Fuck that short. Why is that so short?
I don't know, are beams getting moved around and not put back?
Yeah. I can use them here, I guess. The easiest joist you'll ever roll.
What's going on, everybody? It's Menace.
What's going on, It's Joe Mama. Leave a little gap this time. Let's get it. Who do you want me to be? That is beautiful! Ow! Zooey mama. What's up? How are you? Juan made me into a joister.
There you go. The only 2 white guys on this project. Oh, 3 white guys working.
All white guys here.
Billy's good. Fucking A, man. That's fucking muscle, man. Yeah.
Hey, you didn't think we could do it. We did pretty much all of the joists. I mean, there isn't really much to say. It's just basic stuff like joist, shoot a gun, cut it. I mean, so good day at work today. We'll be back tomorrow. Peace. Sun is out, baby. It's day 3, another blessed day. I'm here for about an hour almost, but it was pitch black, so pulling the camera out right now. We need to finish today. Let's go. We might even see. Ooh. There we go. We're done. Everything except for the plywood, obviously. All this is 3 days, 3 guys. I'm happy with it. We're gonna pass tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna film that just because I don't want to be weird, but a lot of hardware in here, man. Hangers, blocks, Ticos. The plumbers are coming in. They're gonna run some pipes and some gas. We're gonna sheet it and go from there. If you like the video, let me know. Leave a like. If you don't like it, keep it to yourself. I'm gonna keep kind of trying to make videos and find my footing, find my ground. Oh, shit. Try not to fall, but I'm gonna keep trying to make videos and get more comfortable on camera because this is kind of weird, but I'm getting used to it a little bit. Let me know what I can do better. Let me know what you think of the framing. If you have a house over here in the Palisades and you want us to build it, call my number, hit my line. All right, man. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe. Love you. Peace.